All right, WMC, this is a video to find our 4 mini winners for the Mark A Bobble Raz. This is the mini, so we'll check the time, May 26th at 10:31 a.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We have May 26th at 10:31 a.m. There is the list of our 43 entries. Wait a second, I think we're supposed to have 44 there. Hold on. Yep, we missed the Bob. So we're going to add Mr. Bob onto the end there. There we go, 44 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 4 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times looking for the top 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final looking for the top 4. Here we go. It is Jacob, Jerry, Kurt, and Bob. So, Jake, you'll get first pick of 11, and then Jerry second pick, Kurt, and then Bob. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, May 26th, 10:32 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.